In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install Grammarly in Microsoft Word. By the end, you'll have Grammarly installed and enabled inside Microsoft Word, ready to check your writing as you type. First, open your browser. Click your preferred browser icon to bring it up on screen. Next, go to the Grammarly website. Click in the address bar, type grammarly.com, and press Enter to load the official site. Now download Grammarly for Windows or Mac. On the home page, look for the download button that matches your operating system. Click Download for Windows if you're on a PC, or Download for Mac if you're on a Mac. The installer file will begin downloading. If you see a prompt asking where to save it, choose your Downloads folder and confirm. Once the download finishes, run the installer. On Windows, click the file ending in .exe in your downloads and allow it to make changes if you're prompted by Windows. On Mac, open the .dmg file, then drag the Grammarly app into your Applications folder if the window shows that instruction. If you see a security prompt, click Open to continue. Complete setup by following the on-screen steps. Keep the defaults unless you have a specific preference. Allow any requested permissions so Grammarly can integrate with your apps. Wait for the progress bar to finish. This may take a moment depending on your connection and computer speed. When the setup confirms it's done, you're ready to move on. Now log into your account. The Grammarly app or a sign-in window will open automatically. If it doesn't, click the Grammarly icon that was just installed and choose Sign In. Enter your email and password, or use your normal sign-in method. This connects the desktop app to your account so your settings and plan are applied. Next, enable in Word. During or after setup, you may see an option labeled Enable in Word or something similar. Click to turn it on. This ensures Grammarly is allowed to work inside Microsoft Word. If there's a brief permissions prompt, approve it. Once that's done, you can switch to Word. Open Microsoft Word. Click the Word icon from your taskbar, dock, or Applications list. If Word was already open, bring it to the front. You can use a blank document or an existing file. Either one is fine. From here, go to the Home tab at the top of the ribbon. Make sure Home is selected so you can access the Add-ins command. Click Add-ins or Get Add-ins, depending on what you see in your ribbon. Well, this opens the Office Add-ins store in a panel or window. If a pop-up blocker tries to prevent it, allow the window to open. This is a trusted Microsoft Store panel. In the Add-ins store, use the search box and type Grammarly. Press Enter. You'll see Grammarly for Word in the results. Check that it's the official Grammarly add-in. Click Add to install the Grammarly add-in into Microsoft Word. Confirm any prompts to grant permission. The add-in will install in a few seconds. Once it finishes, you'll see a confirmation, and the Grammarly panel may open on the right side of your document. If it doesn't open automatically, look for the Grammarly button in your Home tab and click it to show the panel. At this point, Grammarly is installed and enabled in Microsoft Word. You can start typing or open an existing document to see suggestions appear in the Grammarly pane. If you're signed in, your premium features, if you have them, will be active. Your setup is complete and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.